Hi, my name is Tamas and I'm going to be your instructor for the introductory TypeScript workshop at Cityjs. Who is this workshop for? Well, if you are new to TypeScript and if you would like to learn the basics of TypeScript, including things like the types, interfaces and generics, this workshop is going to be for you. TypeScript is getting a lot of popularity these days. There are React libraries that are using TypeScript. You can write TypeScript in various JavaScript applications as well. So if you would like to understand those, create one or work with one at your workplace, then this introductory workshop is going to be a great place for you to get started. Now, the only prerequisite for this workshop is some solid JavaScript knowledge. Typically, I would expect you to be familiar with the latest and greatest features of JavaScript, including things like arrow functions, maybe classes, the spread syntax, and so on and so forth, because all of these are also used inside TypeScript. And of course, TypeScript is going to be adding additional things on top of this, like a type system and some other stuff that we're going to learn together as part of the workshop. I hope to see you there.